Hello everyone. I'm too excited to share our project. It is panoptic segmentation. Let's see what is panoptic segmentation. It is made up of two parts, semantic as well as instance segmentation. So this is the panoptic segmentation diagram. It is made up of this semantic, which basically groups the same instances into same color. Then this is the instance segmentation, which gives different color to the different instances. Then we are concatenating semantic and instance segmentation into one part, which we are calling as panoptic segmentation. So we are using, our approach is the fully connected convolution layer, which basically do the masking on the images for identifying the images on the instance based as well as semantic based. So what panoptic segmentation do? It find the reason proposal network, which basically identifies the different reasons. So what was the problem statement? Why do we need panoptic segmentation? Earlier, we used top-down approach. We had which resulted into some problems. The first one was it had the multiple passes through the pipeline, which caused hard competition, and also the accuracy was very low. So we moved to the panoptic segmentation. Uh, Panoptic segmentation has very good accuracy. It has very good MIOU score as well as DICE score. We will see it later for the results. Panoptic segmentation is not based on the pipeline. It is the bottom-up approach. So our goal is to identify different object, also different instances into different color. So this is the methodology and also the approach which we used. It is the convolution. We are using the convolution layer on the instance as well as semantic, and then we are concatenating these both results. We have used the convolution layer, and for the more accuracy, we have used the batch norm as well as ReLU. Moving to the data set, we have used COCO dataset, CTES Skepsis, and ADE. We have splitted our dataset into 70% for the training, 10% for the validation, 20% for the testing. What are the applications of the panoptic segmentation? This is the object tracking, robotics, autonomous vehicles. So the problem statement I have told you. These are the number of images, number of the masks which we have used in our approach. Let's see the model architecture. This is the model architecture and the approach which we have used. It is based on the convolution of the semantic as well as instance segmentation. Then we are using the masking on the panoptic segmentation. This is the loss function which we have used, which is the DICE score. This is the multiplication of the semantic as well as instance segmentation score of the losses. Oh wow, see the very good results. So these are the results. These are the four groups of our member which made this project, and these are the panoptic segmentation. Based on that, we are identifying, see how good accuracy. We are also identifying different color to the different ports. Moving to the results, this is the PQ. This is a pixel quality, which is a 61.37, which is very high. And IO score, oh my god, it is 83.6, which is far good than the earlier results of the research paper which we have took the reference from. So what are the observations? The panoptic segmentation of the bright images gives the dark marks and the good boundaries, but the images that is not sharp, it predict the mask in which is also it also predict the mask for the overlapped ones. We have some drawbacks of the panoptic segmentation, which is it has very high computation power. It uses very high GPU. It uses GPU very high. So this is was that's it.